If you're having problems with your Ryujinx controller and it's not working on your Steam Deck, well, there are a few things that you could try doing here. So first is you want to start by checking which mode you're using. So first you want to figure out if you're using Ryujinx in game mode or desktop mode. Now this matters because controller behavior can differ between the two. Now, if your controller doesn't seem to respond in game mode, try launching Ryujinx from desktop mode instead. All players notice it works perfectly there. Now next you want to open the Steam and head to the controller settings section. Here, make sure Steam input isn't interfering with Ryujinx. Sometimes Steam tries to remap your buttons, which confuse the emulator. So try turning Steam input off for Ryujinx to set it, or you want to set it to Steam Virtual Gamepad. After that, relaunch the emulator and see if it detects your controller properly. Now, you want to reconfigure your controller in Ryujinx as well. So once you're inside the Ryujinx, you want to go to the top menu and select options, then go to settings, then go to input. Now under player 1, choose the controller type, usually Steam Deck Gamepad or Pro Controller. Now press the buttons as prompt to match each control and you want to hit on save. Now, this ensures Ryujinx fully recognizes your inputs. Now, if you're opening Ryujinx from your Steam library here, make sure it's added as a non-Steam game first. Then launch it directly through game mode. Now doing it this way helps Steam's input layer correctly pass through your deck's controls to Ryujinx. Now, you may want to restart everything as well to refresh the connections. So after tweaking those settings, close Ryujinx and restart your Steam Deck. A full reboot clears out any old control data that might still be interfering. Now once it's back on, launch Ryujinx again to test the fix. Now, you want to test a game when fine-tune if needed. Now try loading a game. Now if the control works in menus but not in game, go back to the input settings and remap again. Now if it doesn't help, delete the Ryujinx config controller and setting up from scratch often clears lingering input issues. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.